Have you ever had a container that was technically running but completely stuck and unresponsive? That's exactly what liveness probes are designed to catch. A liveness probe continuously checks if a container is still alive and functioning. It's not just checking if the process is running, it's checking if the application inside can actually respond. When a liveness probe fails, Kubernetes knows the container is in a bad state, stuck in a deadlock, an infinite loop, or just hanging. So what does Kubernetes do? It automatically restarts the container. This gives your application a fresh start and restores normal operation without any manual intervention. Now, liveness probes are different from readiness probes. Liveness asks, is the container alive? Readiness asks, can it serve traffic right now? A container might be alive but not ready, like during startup. Kubernetes supports 3 probe types: HTTP requests to an endpoint, TCP socket connections, or executing a command inside the container. Choose the one that best fits your application. Here are common scenarios where liveness probes save the day: a deadlock where threads are stuck waiting on each other, an infinite loop consuming all CPU, or a memory leak that eventually causes the application to hang. In each case, the liveness probe detects the problem and triggers a restart, restoring your service automatically. Remember, liveness probes are your safety net for detecting and recovering from unresponsive containers. Use them to keep your Kubernetes applications healthy and resilient. Ready to practice more Kubernetes concepts? Keep going. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.